Hello, my name is Dan Davis, Editor-in-Chief of the Fabricator magazine, and I'm here to offer up some details that we hope will help you get your first day of FABTECH off to a good start. Starting at 8:30, Chad Hennings will be offering up the keynote address. Mr. Hennings is a 9-year NFL veteran, 3-time Super Bowl winner with the Dallas Cowboys, and a graduate of the Air Force Academy. He'll offer up his perspective on how the military has helped to shape his post-football life. At 9 a.m., doors open to the Lakeside Center. That's on the east side of Lakeshore Drive. You'll be able to find tube and pipe and stamping technology vendors. At 10 a.m., attendees will be able to access the north and south building. That's where you'll find metal fabricating and welding technology vendors. We have 1,700 exhibitors at FABTECH this year. That's a lot of ground to cover. We hope you enjoyed and enjoy the show.